Hey, if you've ever wondered what keeps our robots and web apps safe from hackers, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down security and privacy in robotic systems and web services. No jargon, just the stuff you need to know. Let's start with robots. Robots aren't just sci-fi anymore, they're everywhere. Factories, check. Hospitals, check. Even your living room floor vacuuming up crumbs. But here's the catch. Robots are targets for cyber attacks. Hackers can sneak in through weak passwords or open ports, and suddenly, that super smart robot arm is in the wrong hands. Think about it. Robots collect industrial secrets, patient records, even map your house. If this data isn't encrypted, it's basically up for grabs. Worse, a hacked robot can cause real-world harm. Imagine a delivery drone gone rogue, or a surgical robot getting fake commands. And with AI running the show, attackers can even poison the robot's training data, making it behave in totally unpredictable ways. So, what's the fix? First, strong authentication and access control. Don't let just anyone in. Always use end-to-end encryption, so even if someone intercepts the data, it's just gibberish. Keep firmware updated, patches close up those security holes. Isolate robots on their own networks, away from the wild internet. And use AI audit tools to keep an eye on decision-making. Security isn't a one-and-done deal. Build it in from the start. Switching gears, let's tackle web services. Every time you log in, shop, or message, you're using web services. But these are hacker magnets too. Ever heard of SQL injection? That's when someone sneaks in malicious code to steal your data. Or cross-site scripting, where attackers inject scripts to hijack your session. There's denial of service attacks that crash servers, and man-in-the-middle hacks that intercept your info while it's in transit. Wide-open APIs are another weak spot. If they're not locked down, anyone can poke around. How do we shut down these attacks? Use HTTPS with strong encryption. Validate all input. Don't let sneaky code slip through. Set up firewalls and limit how many requests users can make. Protect APIs with OAuth 2.0, and run regular penetration tests to find cracks before the bad guys do. Privacy matters just as much. Follow privacy laws like GDPR and CCPA. Only collect what you need and store passwords with strong hashing and salting. Never in plain text. Here's the twist: modern robots connect to web services for commands, updates, and data sharing. That means a weak server can put even the smartest robot at risk. It's not just about securing the robot or the website, you've got to lock down both. So, big picture robots and web services face digital and physical threats, and when you combine them, risks multiply. But if you stick to encryption, strong access control, privacy best practices, and keep everything up to date, you'll stay ahead. Remember, security is a journey, not a destination. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and share with your fellow techies. Stay safe out there.